Hello, this is Sam again. I say Locksmith and Security here in San Antonio. How to reprogram a code lock 600 series. That's a new lock. That's our existing code. Gonna need the keys also. Okay, C 2 5 7 0. Ah, yeah. 2 5 7. How to put a new code on the key? Counterclockwise, okay, anti-clockwise all the way. It's better even if you hold it. Press C, and then with the smart key we're just gonna turn 180 degrees counterclockwise. So we have C 2570. So take 2 5 7 0 X. Okay, once you do that, the hand is supposed to be open. Okay, it's free. If it doesn't, try to press C and do it again. Okay, once you do that, let's put the code. Let's choose. This time we're gonna turn clockwise 180 degrees. So let's take 1 5 2 and 6 X. Once you do that, turn the key all the way clockwise. Okay, clockwise, and then take the key out.
New message from Marlene Bora.
1 5 2 6 X, and basically it. 1 5 2 6. Working. Let's try our old code. Of course, it's not gonna work. 2 5 7 0 X doesn't work. Press C. C is basically to reset. C 1 5 2 6 X. It's working. That's all. SA Locksmith Security. Thank you.